How to install Horror Tale 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this application. First of all, open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, simply search for Horror Tale 2. So, it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name, Victoria Horror Games. Now simply tap on install. Now it will take some time. Horror Tale 2 is a horrific game. Here there is a lot of adventure and there is a lot of drama and tension. So here the people who love horror things, horror movies and ghosts will love this game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.